Founded in 2020 by Dr. Tierra Moore, the nonprofit Black in Marine Science implements activities that spread environmental awareness, inspire the next generation of thought leaders, and amplifies Black voices. This summer, the organization, along with community members and partner organizations, hosted multiple BioBlitzes. What is a BioBlitz, you may ask? A BioBlitz gives an opportunity to conduct a census on all living organisms in a given region, so that we may know what is living, where, and how it is changing. Historically, BioBlitzes are based off visual observations. However, the BioBlitzes hosted through BIMS focuses on the collection of sediment and water from coastal systems. Once collected, the sediment and water samples are brought into a laboratory setting, and the DNA shed by living organisms that have interacted with the samples, like fish, crabs, and algae, are isolated and identified. Through this technology, we are able to identify more life in these spaces. For this specific BioBlitz, Dr. Gaines and a participant demonstrated the correct way to collect a water sample from the surrounding waters. As you can see, they are both using gloves to demonstrate that it is very important to protect the sample from ourselves. We do not want to contaminate any of the data. Another significant BioBlitz that I was able to attend over the summer was held on July 22nd at Pillar Point Beach in California. Here, we collected sediment samples in the marine protected area of the beach. The best thing about this BioBlitz is that I had the opportunity to tide pool and see different marine life. Throughout my time, I've experienced and learned so much. Thank you, BIMS.